Good morning to one and all. In this session, we are going to learn web form. So, here is two options given to you, and we have to fill the two blanks. So here is two actions. First action and second action. First action and second action. So first action should be fast perfect tense and second action should be in fast simple fast. Okay, understand? Here is a fast perfect tense means had plus V3 and so simple fast V2. So this is the verb. So how do you have to study the given statement and answer carefully. Okay. So for example, I read out here. I am giving some example for you for practice. So carefully you listen. His feet dash cracks and somehow dash reasonable in bracket those an elephant resemble. His feet had developed cracks and somehow resembled those of an elephant. So here is after developing of the cracks. So we that comparison with elephant foot. So that first action is developed. First action is cracks and developed cracks, and second action is resembled. So here is so that his feet had developed cracks and somehow resembled those an elephant. Second one, I finally dashed to go my workplace as marriage dash my responsibilities. Yes, after getting married, his responsibility is increased. So that first action is had increased. Is as marriage had increased and finally he decided to go to workplace. So second action decided. And the third one, a large crowd dash at our place the day I was to leave. People dash to wish me luck. So here is first thing is gathered. So large crowd had gathered at our place, and then second action is people came to wish me luck. And fourth one is when we arrived at the station, the train dash leave. So here is one blank given. The train had left. So when they arrived at the station, already the train had left the station. So that here a train had left. And then fifth one, after I dash finish my homework, I dash go to bed. Here is so after I had finished my work, after completion of the work, he went to bed. So that after I had finished my work, I went to bed. So first action is finished and second action is went, go. And then sixth one, her father dash already sleep before she dash come to her house. So when she reached home, her father went to bed. So that first action is father sleep. Father sleep. And second, she come. So here is so that father had already slept. Father had already slept before she came to her house. And seventh one, after Manoj wake up, he dash brush his teeth. So first action is wake up. So that Manoj had woke up. So here had plus V3, no? First action. And then he brushed his teeth. And eighth one, he dash stop his work before he take rest. So after stopping the work, he took rest. So that first action is stop. So he had stopped his work before he take rest. He took rest. Took rest. And then ninth one, after I dash give him a gift, he thanked me. So here is gift given, and then thanked in general. So that after I had given him a gift, he thanked me. And then tenth one, after Rohit dash spend his holiday in Italy, he dash want learn Italian. So here is he spent, then he learned Italian. So that first action is Rohit had spent his holiday in Italy. He wanted to learn Italian. And 11th one, Rosa dash phone Ramana at work before she leave for her trip. So here is she phoned first. So that first action is phoned. Rosa had phoned Ramana at work before she left for her trip. Okay. And then Susan, next one is Susan dash turn on the radio after she dash was the dishes. Here is Susan had turned. First action is had turned. Susan had turned on the radio after she washed the dishes. After she washed the Susan turned on the radio after she had washed the dishes. Here is after completion of the washing dishes, she turned on the radio. Okay, good. So here is Susan turned and she had washed the dishes. And last one is when she dash arrived, the match had already. So here is had already started. Here is clearly given. When she arrived at the match already started. The first action started match. So had already started. So she arrived the match. When she arrived, the match had already started. Okay, bye. Thank you. Learn this carefully and do more practice at your home. Thank you.